As we do with every one of these episodes, I like to finish with some quick-fire questions. We'll get to know Damian a little bit better. And now, obviously, because of the current situation we're in, they have to be themed with a coronavirus style. So, Damian, I haven't given you any previous one of these. You're going to be hearing them for the first time. So, are you ready?
Let's go for it.
All right, number one. If you could be isolated or on lockdown with one celebrity, who would it be? Could be living or dead.
Eric Cantona.
If there is one movie or TV series that you've had on your watch list for ages, but just never had the time, whether it's Netflix, whatever, what has that been?
I'm going to sound like way out of touch here, but Mad Men, never seen it, but I know it's one. It's kind of like SEO for a lot of people. That it's like they know it's important, they know they should be getting involved, but I just haven't. But it's there. It's there.
I know it's hard to fit it around with the kids and whatnot, but it's there. And seeing that, we're on lockdown for a while, so why not? I think I know the answer to this. What is the one thing that you've missed the most since being on lockdown?
I guess, some fresh air. Apart from just nipping down to a supermarket, I think a run out into the campo here for a half hour. Oh my goodness. That's probably the thing. But a little bit of football every now and again might help too.
I think that's been the most common answer is exercise so far. Okay, so what has been your favorite purchase under £100 or €100 in the last 6 to 12 months?
Do you know what? Of the last year or two, and actually it's probably since my daughter was born 3 years ago, I've hardly read a book at all. When I came back from the short stay show in London a bit weeks ago, feels like a year ago, I bought some books in Smith's, and I think for 30 quid, I am just to be reading again. It just like opened my eyes up to a whole new world of peace and tranquility. So
is it fiction, non-fiction? What are you?
I'm reading. This is going to make me sound like a Man United nut here, but I'm reading Leading from Alex Ferguson and Shoe Dog. Catching the Rise, my favorite book of all time.
And finally, very, very apt. What is your one biggest piece of advice that you would pass on to any host if they wanted to be proactive in boosting their direct bookings?
I think something that's really underutilized is to know that you're an expert. So many people don't realize that they're an expert in their local area. They feel that, a lot of the same questions from guests, etc. But use that expertise, use that expertise to kind of build up a rapport with your clients. If that's, through your website or when they arrive or, during the stay, post stay, just let them know that, what can you do to help their stay, be as perfect as possible. And repeat bookings are worth gold, absolute gold, and the easiest way to get to right bookings. So work on that level of expertise. Know what you know about your area and about the offering that you're giving your guests. Mark, I'm not as engaged on Facebook as I should be. I am on Facebook, but
You're a LinkedIn man.
I'm more of a LinkedIn man. I used to be more of a Twitter man, actually. My handle is Damian, Damian Sheridan 9, number 9. But I'm more of a LinkedIn man. I've been more kind of engaged on that over the last 6 months. So just check me out on LinkedIn, but also Facebook. I am there. You'll see this face.
Bookdirect.show. That's where that's where I want everybody to go to. Just go and register your interest. Go and just put your name down. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. The beauty of this type of show and this type of event is it's going to be online, so you can be able to tune in. And I know that the Boostly Academy, the Boostly World, the Book Direct movement, and we've got hospitality community. We have got people in every continent. We've got people in every country. So this is a fantastic one, and I'm really looking.
Can I just add one thing there, Mark? Actually, in terms of the registering interest page, what I'm doing at the moment, we've got about 15 to 20 speakers already lined up. For anyone who registers their interest, they get to tick any amount of topics that they're really interested in hearing about, and that's the data that actually we're going to use for the next 2 months to actually then approach speakers from around the world, extra speakers in those specific things. So it's really going to be about the attendees kind of driving the actual content as well, which I think is kind of unique as well.
Yeah, I'm on there now and I can see that Google My Business is there, and I think Google My Business is going to be one that a lot of people want to know definitely not more about Google ads. So yeah, awesome. So thank you very much, Damian, for that. Thank you for coming on, and thank you everybody for tuning in. This podcast is sponsored by the lovely people at Hostfully. Go to hostfully.com, go and check it out. You get one free digital guidebook for your property. And if you want to upgrade and add more, put Boostly2M in that promo code, then you get 2 months free, which is nice. And it's also sponsored by Boostly's very own Book Direct movement. For $9.99 a month, you get access to all of your social media content sorted for you, training videos, and you get listed on Book Direct Map. It's a monthly subscription, cancel at any time. You join a lovely little Facebook group, but the most important part at the present moment, the thing that the members are loving the most, is that you get 30 pieces of fresh social media content every single month for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. All you got to do is copy, paste, personalize, post it, and that's your whole social media taken care of, which at these present times, the last thing on the mind of everybody is social media. So if you've got somewhere that you can just do it, ditch it, forget about it, it's what the members are loving at the moment. So go check it out, boostly.co.uk/BDM. That's it, $9.99 a month, and it's got a full money back guarantee as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll be back very soon with another episode of the Boostly podcast. Please, as well, before you leave, just tell one person about this. Share this link, share this episode, social media, go leave a review on iTunes, or just grab the link and email it to somebody that you know who may need to watch this. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the other side.